Kalanchoe or Calanchoe are tropical shrubs or herbaceous plants from the succulent family, having about 125 species. The plant mostly requires direct sunlight or indirect sunlight to bright shade. These plants are cultivated as ornamental houseplants or succulent garden plants because of their varieties of beautiful and colorful flowers. They require very low water or humidity. As well, it is easy to propagate the plant even from the matured leaves. I got 5 Calanchoes of different colors. Today I will show how I repot these plants to bigger pots. For the substrate, I took normal garden soil, cow dung, previously prepared compost and some stones. 6-inch pots seems perfect for the plant. First, I prepared the drainage area with the stones. Then I put the dry cow dung. Finally, I mixed the garden soil and compost. Time to plant the Calanchoe. Make sure not to disturb the roots while repotting. Here I put the original soil mixture of the plant in the pot as well. And done. I sprayed some water after the repot was done. It will help the roots to settle as well absorb minerals from the soil mixture.
I really appreciate your valuable time you gave to us. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.